Okay, following video here will show to you how to convert different coordinate systems within Civil 3D. In our case, the type of coordinate system I'm going to convert from today is Ncrs high zone, or the west zone of the Nevada coordinate reference system, and I'm going to convert that into NAD83 2011 following the same procedure. So what we're looking at here is a drawing that I've created here in Ncrs coordinates. I've calculated the exterior boundaries of this quarter of a section here from the following survey that you're going to see here. Let's see. Yes, right here. This record of survey recorded in file 198, page 65. If you look at sheet 1, they explain that this is done in Ncrs high zone, and all coordinates shown are that. So with that being said, I'm talking about this quarter section that we're seeing around here, and I used the coordinates on this point table in here to create this quarter section and create this northwest 16th corner, and then from there I've used some deeds to put together the rest of the drawing. So as you can see, this is an Ncrs. So the procedure now would be to go ahead and start a new drawing. And in this case, I'm going to use the easement template that we have. I'm just going to drill down to it manually. It'll work a little better for what we're doing here. So we're going to go into G Drive, Survey Storage, Software, AutoCAD, Templates, Easement Review. We're going to open up the DWT that you see in Easement Review. Okay. And what you're going to notice is there's a box in here. This box is placed around the city of Las Vegas, Clark County area here, just as a reference to kind of give us a vicinity of where to go using NAD83 coordinates. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and save this as, in this case we'll put it in, I'm going to put this particular drawing in a project that I'm working on. And I'm going to call this one line C145. C145401 NAD 83 2011 demo. Okay, so I've saved my drawing. Now, the next step that I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to check the coordinate system that's assigned to this drawing. So to do that, in Tool Space column over here, I'm going to click on this Settings tab. And when I do that, I'm going to right click on this header on the left pane here. And you can see that it's got the Nevada NAD83 coordinate system assigned to it. And in AutoCAD, they do not specify NAD83 2011, but just the regular NAD83 in AutoCAD is NAD83 2011. And due to a glitch that I continue to have, I would recommend that you reassign this no datum, no projection, apply, set it as OK, save your drawing again, and now reassign it the NAD83 coordinate system. I had a lot of problems with this stuff. I would recommend always doing that. It's just a glitch in the software. So I'm going to assign it NAD83 2011 East Zone. NAD83 East Zone in U.S. survey feet. This one right here, NAD83 East Zone U.S. survey feet. And I'm going to apply. Okay. The next step, I'm going to run a new command called here is map cs assign. Map cs assign. And here I'm going to type in Nevada when this pops up. Okay. We'll bring up our NAD or coordinate systems here in Nevada. This may be a redundant routine, I'm not sure, but this is just the way I got it to work. So with that being said, I'm going to click on NAD83 East Zone in U.S. survey feet, highlight it, and I'm going to assign it. Okay. Now I'm going to run another command called mapw space. mapw space. And here I want to make sure that I say on. When that happens, you're going to see this other pane shows up here on the left, this task pane. And from in here, what you're going to do is you're going to link to the NCRS drawing. Now, when I link the NCRS drawing to this drawing through here, I can't have it open over here. So I'm going to go ahead and close this NCRS drawing tab that I have here. Sure, I'll save the properties. And now on this drawings that I have highlighted here, I'm going to right click and I'm going to attach. And inside of there, I'm going to go into my projects directory. I don't know why I had to add that, but I'm going to drill down to where the drawing is. Alright. And working files, AutoCAD. And I'm going to select the NCRS drawing that we were looking at earlier now that it's closed. And I'm going to click Add. And I'm guessing that was successful, so I'm going to close. However, I don't see it over here. I try it again. Add. Okay. I'm thinking that I normally see it over here. That is weird. Oh, I had to say okay. Okay, so as you can see now that is linked over here. Now the next step is under this query library where it says current query. I'll go ahead and right click and click define. And this part always seems weird to me, but you're supposed to check the location and make sure it says all here, which it does. And we want to click this box that says draw. And what it is we're grabbing everything from that drawing and we're going to execute it. As you can see, it just appeared up here. And the coordinate conversion should have taken place. We should be seeing things as we are here. In this case, in the 26 millions and the 700,000s. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the drawing in this pane over here, and I'm going to detach that. I'm going to close that. And now, just as a reference to check some things here, we're going to go ahead and we'll run an iTile, or better yet, we will set the NAD83 imaging through Bing in here and show you that we've converted successfully over here. So to do this, I would go to Insert, Set Location, from Map, say Next. Select the coordinate system. We're in NAD83 East Zone, U.S. survey feet 3421. We're going to say next, and here we're just going to hit enter and enter. Okay, and now as you can see, the line work lines up to right where I was looking for it to happen. So I can show you some other methods to show you that the coordinate conversion was successful, but this is the way that we want to go ahead and convert NCRS coordinates to NAD83 2011. And for that matter, you can convert coordinates all the way, but it's kind of nice that Simple 3D has the NCRS coordinate system built right into it. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know, but pretty cool little conversion routine here that I figured out.